Welcome to Good Folk Enterprises and More LLC. That's right, it's your boy Good Folk. We live off in the building. You already know what time it is. We heading out today, getting ready to go get this money, as you say. My son, my 5-year-old, he like to pep me up in the morning, and he always do when he help me load the trailer up. We'll get some footage of that one day. And so we heading out to a place called Savannah Station this morning. Little nice new neighborhood in the city of Alachua. And we're about to get to it. So I'll see you guys out there later. All right, guys, we arrived in Savannah Station, and we finna get it in, man. Let's go.